Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix GTA 5 Enhanced OpenIV Init1 failed. Alright, let's begin. If you are modding GTA 5 Enhanced and you see the Init1 failed error when launching the game, this usually happens because an older OpenIV file is installed. First, close the error message and go to your GTA 5 Enhanced installation folder on your PC. Once you are inside the main game directory, look for a file named OpenIV.asi. When you find this file, right-click on it and delete it. This removes the outdated OpenIV file that is causing the error. Next, open your browser and go to gta5mods.com. From there, download OpenRPF. Save the file to your computer, usually in the Downloads folder. After the download is complete, extract the zip file. Open the extracted folder and locate the file named openrpf.asi. Now, drag and drop this file directly into your GTA 5 Enhanced installation folder. Once this is done, the issue should be fixed and the game should launch normally. So that's basically how you can fix GTA 5 Enhanced OpenIV Init1 failed. That's it for this video. Thanks.